What's up, guys? So in today's video, I do want to have a look at two coins. We're going to be having a look at Bitcoin up 5% in the past 24 hours. And I also want to have a look at Kadena. We had a nice little rejection right here at the local resistance. We came back, retested the resistance, and I want to have a look how and speak on why this pump was essentially fake and where we can go in the near future. Bitcoin traded at 40,387. We got Kadena also up 9%, traded at $5. I want to talk for a second why the pump yesterday wasn't as real as people think it was. I know a lot of people were happy, and yes, it's great and everything, but we need to understand that right here around this region at approximately 11 a.m., 3 p.m. It depends where you are around the world. Let's just say GMT time, it was approximately 12 p.m. There was an announcement that Elon Musk was to buy Twitter. Yes, he bought Twitter for $44 billion in cash. Now, the thing is that yes, Elon Musk loves Bitcoin. Elon Musk loves Doge. We saw Doge pumping 30%. Fantastic. If you guys were part of the trade and you guys took advantage, that's freaking amazing. But I wanna talk about how the pump wasn't as real as as it seemed. Now, even though we are above this resistance, we're back above the channel. Okay, so the reason why I'm starting off with Bitcoin is because Bitcoin's king, and we saw the Bitcoin pumping. We saw everything pumping, and Kadena started pumping as well. Now Bitcoin right now is above the ascending triangle or ascending channel again. Okay, not triangle, sorry. Now the question is are we gonna actually stay above it, or are we gonna come back down? That's the main question, right? The big thing right here is that I want to see on the daily time frame is that we actually got rejected by the EMA ribbon. Okay, so that's already the negative news. Okay, we got rejected by the EMA ribbon. Now, even though the the Bitcoin purchase, I mean the Twitter purchase by Elon Musk was bullish on the medium term, on the medium to long term, we still remain bearish on crypto. And sorry, the pump was the buy was bullish on the short term, not on the medium to long term. Bitcoin is in a bear market in the medium to long term time frame. I know a lot of people started to put long, started panicking, started being happy, but I wouldn't be happy just yet. I mean, until we break above these EMA ribbon, until we're inside the middle of the the ascending triangle, which is approximately right here. Maybe if we break above 42,000. Or if we break above this resistance right here, then perhaps we could start being a little bit bullish on Bitcoin. But as of right now, guys, I mean, we're still in a massive bear flag right here, as you guys can see. If I take that away, Bitcoin is still in a crazy bear flag, and we know that bear flags are bullish. We know ascending channels are bearish. Sorry, bearish, not bullish. So that's about it. I mean, for Bitcoin, nothing too crazy. It's very important not to essentially be caught up with the emotions. I know it was a lot of fun, Bitcoin pumping 5%, and it was down 2%. So that par was actually 7% par. Kadena was at $4.39, I believe. Boom, we popped 15%, 10-15% from there. If we have a look at Kadena, same thing. Same thing, guys. Nothing too crazy. I mean, we have to be careful with these pumps. Look at that. We peaked 17% in one day, guys, from the bottom, for the people who bought at the bottom. Now, if there wasn't that artificial pump or that announcement by Elon Musk, Bitcoin would have pumped. So I think that, in my opinion, this is gonna come back down. We're gonna give it a few days until things go back to normal. But of course, it's very exciting news. I'm for. I'm not against. I know there's a lot of people who are against. I'm for Elon Musk buying Twitter. I really like the idea. I like I'm for freedom of speech as well. That's about it. I mean, nothing too much to see over here, but let's have a look at KDA real quick, technical analysis. So we know the trend is your friend, guys. At the end of the day, Kadena is still in a downtrend. That's number one, okay? Is this a bad thing? No, it's not a bad thing at all. I am personally hoping for Kadena to come down to 4.27. That's going to be my first buy. Not my first buy, like my first DCA. I kept buying, but my first big buy will be there. I'm not going to be buying Kadena until we reach there, or until we break above this this area right here, which is 5.7. If we manage to break above not only the trend line but the resistance, then I'm going to be looking to enter again. But as of right now, I'm just sitting on the sideline waiting, accumulating some dollars, waiting for it to come down to 4.28. If Bitcoin does end up going to 30K, I wouldn't be surprised if Kadena makes a nice little peak. I'm not saying we're going to come down and stay there, but a nice little peak to $2.6. This would be very, very nice and a huge, huge opportunity. I'm going to have an order at approximately $2.8 if Bitcoin does fall below $35,000, let's say, because we're most likely going to have a nice little, how do you call that? Like a liquidation wick or a squeeze or a just a fast flash crash. Let's just say it like that. But that's about it. I mean, guys, exciting news in crypto. Overall, I'm very, very bullish in Kadena, very, very bullish in crypto, very bullish in Bitcoin on the longer term, of course. Right now, bear markets are okay, and that's about it. Can we potentially see a bull flag on Kadena? Yes, that's very, very possible right here. But at the end of the day, we're gonna see how Bitcoin reacts because Bitcoin is king, right? If Bitcoin dumps, market dumps. Bitcoin pumps, market pumps. So that's about it, guys. That's my video, short video on Kadena and Bitcoin. Important not to get caught up into emotions, into social sentimental. Although the social sentimental could be good sometimes, it's important not to get caught up into it too much. For the longer term, it's okay if you're trading here and there a little bit, but that's about it. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.